In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a mysterious low-frequency hum has baffled residents and scientists alike for decades. Not everyone can hear it, but for those who do, it's a constant, untraceable noise that disrupts their daily lives. Studies have tried to pinpoint its source: natural phenomena, hidden machinery, or even psychological factors, but none have succeeded. Could it be underground vibrations, secret military operations, or something supernatural? To this day, the hum remains an unsolved enigma, leaving us with more questions than answers. Subscribe for more.